puti na ang buhok ko.
Ikaw naman! Tama pa. Walang bayan yan, ha? Ay, binigay sa ito.
Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangarap.
Trying to get. That was just a practice shot before. Now you all know the dialogue, right? Smile. Come on, Mario. Mario's here
Where
too.
it's, look, it's not facing.
Smile. Now it is.
Joe, smile daw.
Here we are.
Okay.
4th of July fireworks. Is everybody excited?
Yeah.
Ooh. We just anchored. Went for a swim. And hanging out here
Yeah,
at
we're
Brantford
excited,
Rocks.
but make sure there is.
Ah, well, nothing's guaranteed, we know, right?
If
They
there's
said.
no fireworks, you have to treat us.
Ah, I treat you all the time. What are you talking about? At Bradley Rocks, and this is where the fireworks are supposed to go off today. In West Haven. West Haven. And we were out there at West Haven for fireworks last weekend. Did a little sailing today. Got my dinghy working. We got Paul and Joanne with us. Yeah, cooking with diesel. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Mom, isn't it bad?
What?
Diesel?
And we got thunder and lightning in the background. That's gonna pass right to the north of us. And there's nobody else out here because they're all scared. Yeah, now watch, we're gonna get hammered. Yeah, they canceled the fireworks because they're scared. It's gonna rain. Maybe we'll catch some homemade fireworks tonight. Who knows? Yeah. Let's see how dinner comes out. Diesel lighter fluid. We did get hammered that night, and luckily we made it back to the dock before it came down. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. Now we anchored out for the night, right in the same spot. Wasn't too bad, a little rolly. I woke up to this thick fog. Doesn't look like anybody's moving around. Don't know which way is north, south, east, or west. Can hear big ships out there, so I guess that's to the south. know what this guy's doing. Anchored or what? Six a.m. What do you think, Mario? You sleep good? Yeah. You didn't like the fireworks though, did you? Good morning. Had a great sleep last night after the fireworks. Almost dead calm. Had to adjust the dinghy, it was squeaking a little bit. And then middle of the night, our inverter cut out, the batteries went flat. And that meant we had no refrigeration or microwave or regular power. Went to sleep, had a nice night. And in the morning we were going to go back to the dock, charge up the batteries and plan the rest of the day. But it was dead calm. And Ian said, well, what about Port Jervis? Can we go later? And I said, maybe we'll just go now. And I'll fix it on the way. That's what I did. So we got the batteries all charging up now. The inverter's plugged into the engine battery. And it's running the refrigerator and everything. We're doing about 4 knots. We're almost halfway across. We just had breakfast, French toast and sausage and eggs. Oh, last night Mario, after the fireworks, we found him. He was stuck between the cushions, hiding from the fireworks. But it's dead calm out here. Hopefully the wind will be blowing at our backs tomorrow when we come back up. We have mooring reserved for us at Port Jefferson Yacht Club. But look at that, it's just flat, 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 flat. Nice and easy. Good way to test out the systems and the engine on a boat for. It's going to take us about 3 hours to get across. Made it into Port Jeff Yacht Club. Happened to come in right at the same time. Big barge and the ferries were coming out. No problems. Grabbed our mooring ball right away. Batteries got charged on the way over. Motored the whole way. And we're sitting at the mooring and some guy comes flying by on a little surfboard with foiling surfboard. Electric. How cool is that? Port Jefferson. Here we are. Crazy shit. Here he comes. Gonna go get some showers. I hope that one's okay. Check out Port Jefferson, see what's changed here. Got some strange looks on the way in with our custom bimini top. Or was it just because we were pirates they were afraid to look at us? I don't know. think it's cool. Here we are. Mario, how was the trip? You ready to go ashore? Get showers? Made it outside Port Jeff. Nice time over there. Nice breakfast at Josie's. Expensive but good. At Monte Cristo. And got out the harbor. Set our mizzen sail. And our head sail. We got just enough wind. About 5 knots. Heading back to New Haven. Ground lighthouse out here in the middle of the sound. We ran out of wind and we were drifting the wrong way, so we fired up the engine and trying to head back to New Haven. Except the wind, as it usually is always coming from where you must go. That's a cool old lighthouse. A lot of people fishing out here.
Right?
Yes. And we're getting close to the lighthouse. If we hit the lighthouse, we'll sink. Right? Learning the sails, reading the charts. Captain. Well, party's over. Our vacation's done.
We're wrapping up our vacation week. It's so hot.
Yes.
I think I don't like summer anymore.
And she wants winter all the time. Crazy. Anyways, so that was our trip back from Port Jeff, eh? What happened?
It's the longest so far, right?
Yeah, our biggest trip.
Like 8 hours.
Coming back.
So coming
Was it?
back and forth, it's total of 16 hours or more.
Took us 8 hours to get there?
6 hours coming back here. I think it's 8 to 9 hours.
Why did it take so long?
Because as you said, the wind is not our favor.
But they don't know that.
But I don't know too. Hmm.
Yeah, so we left yesterday and cleared out of the harbor without getting in anybody's way. The Port Jeff ferry comes and goes like crazy, and there's barges, stone barges going. We made it out and set our sails and made our best use of the wind, and ended up going the wrong way. Well, not the most perfect way. And turned and motored up to make some way, and took on some big waves from the front, and motor slowed down, and finally quit on us, so we had to sail back all the way. And they were calling for southerly winds, and they were coming from the north, and we had to go north. That's the old sailor saying, the wind is always coming from where you're going. So we sailed back, tacking, not too bad, but didn't make much headway. We don't have the main up yet. Just had the jib and the mizzen, and we did it.
We made it.
We came up. And the funny thing is, we even made it. We made it through the breakwalls, one tack, and then up the channel, and came up into here, and the wind died just as we were making the channel in. And I tried to do a couple things, and it wasn't sure if it was the filter or not, and we started it and it wouldn't start. Well, it wouldn't keep running, it would start. Had no power. By this time it was already just shutting down on us. And just as we were about to throw anchor, because we were heading into the shallow area, the wind picked up again, the way it was supposed to be, coming up from the south. So we sailed down the channel through the mooring field and grabbed the one mooring right outside the gate, which was nice. One shot, boom, got it. And in the morning, went to Napa, got a fuel filter and some fuel to fill the filter, and we filled it up and got her running, and took her in to the loop, and came right back into our new slip. We have our own single slip right at the end with.
But you were not able to document how was I going to the dinghy.
Unobstructed views. Yes, last night after we got back I think we sailed in at 10 o'clock, and we went for showers at 11, and had to climb off the side of the boat and down the ladder into the moving dinghy. Boy, she was screaming and crying. And, How did that go in?
No, I don't like to do it anymore.
Yeah. Well,
no.
Getting back on, you did a lot better.
Yeah.
I
think it's
next
easier.
time you'll do
yeah,
better.
it's easier to go.
No, next time you'll do better.
Climb back to the boat than.
Now you know it's okay.
I guess so.
Yeah,
Maybe
so
we just need a nice and good ladder.
Yes, we need a better ladder.
Yeah.
That's been on the thing. A good swim ladder. Mario, is it hot?
Yeah. How was Mario? Oh my
Yes.
God, terrible. If I'm terrible, he's worse.
Oh, he had fun. He can't wait to get in the car and go to sleep with the air conditioning on, right, Mario? Yeah. So let's just go look around outside. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. All packed up and ready to go. Tie up on this side. Got our dinghy all secured in our davits. That worked out well. We got our end slip. Nice view. just can't come in all the way. You gotta watch the power pole. But at least we won't be taking anybody's heads off anymore. Today it's super hot. Everybody's crying about the weather. And we had rain first half and heat the end. There it is. Till next time. Bon voyage. Something like that. See ya. Hasta mañana. Laters. Ready to go home, Mario? Yeah. Party's over. Back home we go.